Why weren't you at school yesterday?
I wasn't feeling really well.
What was wrong with you?
My stomach was upset.
Do you feel better now?
I don't really feel too well yet.
Do you want anything to make you feel better?
No thanks. I already took some medicine.
I hope you feel better.
Thank you.
What reason do you have for missing school?
I was sick.
How were you sick?
I had a stomach ache.
Did it get any better?
I'm still feeling under the weather.
Would you like anything for your stomach?
I took something earlier.
Get better.
Thanks a lot.